Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Firstly, you need to find Clock app, and when you find it, click on it. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. And before adding your alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right one. Then click on Settings and adjust all of those options however you want to, like ring duration. When you are finished, go back and tap on this icon with a plus at the bottom to create your alarm. Firstly, set up an hour. Then select Custom next to ring once if you wish to set up days of the week. You need to tap on the ones that you wish to exclude. So I will stick with Mondays and Fridays. Following that, tap on Alarm Name, and if you wish to, label your alarm however you want to. Then click on this little switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Now you can select Ringtone, hit Allow in the pop-up, select Allow in Statement of Use 1, and then select the best option for your incoming alarm ringtone. You can tap on Weather Adaptive, select on this device and tap on the song from your smartphone to set it up, or pick one of those system ringtones, like Tempo. Wherever you decided to do, when you are finished, go back. Finally, you can tap on Snooze, decide if you wish to switch it off or on, and adjust it. Over here, pick how many minutes your snooze will take, and then how many times it will repeat. Then go back and save your new alarm thanks to this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on the blue switcher next to it and tapping on one of those options, and turn it back on by clicking on the same, now gray one. In order to get rid of it, you can hold it and tap on Delete button at the bottom. You can also just edit it however you wish to and save your changes by tapping on the check mark again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!